everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Saubhagyam by Today Group located in Panvel. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. You can see the land parcel towards my left as well. In this video, we will be talking about points like project overview, location, connectivity, internal and external amenities, unit plans, parking, possession, maintenance, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 6 acres that will have total of 4 towers of ground plus 17 story having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available in this project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Palaste, Panvel, from where Mumbai-Goa Road is only at a distance of 3 minutes. Atal Setu is only at a distance of 24 minutes. You have upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport at a distance of 16 minutes and you have Panvel Railway Station at a distance of 20 minutes from the project. And now, talking about the internal amenities in this project, you will be getting vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platform, stainless steel sink and many more amenities. And talking about the external amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, senior citizen zone, banquet hall, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, having a look at the unit plans, this is the unit plan of 1 BHK of 410 square feet and this is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 590 square feet. And now, talking about the parking part, this project has podium level of car park facilities. And now, talking about the maintenance varies with configuration with 1 BHK maintenance of 2000 per month and 2 BHK maintenance of 3000 per month. And now, talking about the possession part, RERA possession date for Tower 4 is of 2029, but the target possession is for 2028. And to know about the pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Saubhagyam by Today Group located in Panvel.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.